What if your business could reply to your customers instantly, answering queries, chase them the items, and even do bookings automatically? No staff, no manual replies, no missed customers. So yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your entire business on autopilot using Pabbly Chatflow AI, where we are going to build an AI-powered WhatsApp AI assistant that works 24/7 for your business. But before we start building this automation, let me quickly show you what this AI assistant can do for your business. By sending a simple hi message to this AI assistant, once I send the message, immediately you will see I have received the message from this AI assistant that hello, how can I assist you today? So I am sending a message as tell me about your business. Then it replies to me like this that we are Gourmet Delight Restaurant, a casual dining venue offering a variety of cuisines including Indian, Chinese and continental. Here I want you to know that I have designed this AI assistant for restaurants just only to teach you the process of how you can design an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. You can customize the same AI assistant for your own business. Next, I am asking the question to this AI assistant that share me the menu. Then you will see it shares me the popular dishes. Let's say I want to say the next message as do you have vegetarian options? Then it replies to me like this that yes, we offer wide range of vegetarian dishes including the dishes. Let's say I want to purchase veg noodles. So I am sending a message as I want to order a veg noodles. Then it says that to place your order for veg noodles, please provide the following details such as the quantity, delivery address and the phone number. So I am sending a quantity as 1, delivery address as B101 New City. Here I am sending one test address and one test contact number 2. Once I send all the details, then you will see how smartly the assistant will give replies to me. That includes the dynamic data that I have shared while communicating with the assistant, that is the veg noodles that I want to order, quantity as 1, delivery address and the contact number. Now I am sending a last message to this AI assistant as are your dishes freshly prepared? Then you will see it replies to me like this. After that I am sending one message to this AI assistant that thank you, and that it says that you're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. Have a great day. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build in this video. But before we move ahead, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to design this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow as we are creating an AI assistant. So I am going in this AI assistant feature, and then you will come in this page that is Pabbly Chatflow AI assistant. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next, it will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am going to enter as put your entire business on autopilot with Pabbly Chatflow AI. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button and see you will come in this page as this is the starting page of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions tab that I am going to select as AI agent. You can select the instructions tabs completely based on your own choice. After selecting the instructions tab, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how the assistant will give replies to your user. In simple words, these are the rules that AI assistant need to follow while giving responses to your user. You can make the changes in these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI replies as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperatures gives creative and flexible replies. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. After that, the model provider I am going to select as OpenAI. Next, the model I am going to select as GPT-4o Mini. After that, it will ask me to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page link. After that, you will come in this OpenAI platform where you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Here I want you to know that for generating the API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After that, you can give the name to this API key if you want to. It is an optional, so I'm not giving it. Next, the project I'm going to select as default project, and the permission I'm going to set as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button, and see, I got the API key, so I'm copying it from here. I'm going to paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button, and see, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with some options, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for sending a welcome messages or short introductions. So if you want to add it, then you can enable this toggle and enter it in this field. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is used for sending a thank you messages or contact information. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have entered the stop keyword here as stop, and the user will send this keyword while communicating with the AI assistant. And once the AI assistant will receive this keyword, then it gets stopped, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keywords, but you can add it if you want to. Next, the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users. You can increase it till 10. After that, the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sent to the user if AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical errors or an API connection problem. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the users for the better conversation. Here I have entered the fallback message as this, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. Now I am moving forward to the knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base file, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge source, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial we are going to build an AI assistant for restaurant bookings. That's why I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is the knowledge base file for restaurant. Here I have entered all the related information regarding the restaurant, such as the restaurant opening hours, location, table reservation, menu, online ordering, cancellation policies, and some FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. You can customize it completely based on your own business. After that, you have to download this file in the PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that your file size should be less than 90 MB. Accepted formats are .txt and .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. See, the file is downloaded successfully, so I am dragging and dropping it here, and you will see how easily your knowledge base file get uploaded. It is a very important step for a business specific replies, so do the same that I have done here. After that, the assistant interface, where you can design your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields, where at first I am entering the heading as AI assistant for your business, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you, as just showing here too. And the initial message I entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it here if you want to. And the footer text I have entered as privacy and policy, also added footer link. And the user first message is written as I need help, that I am going to replace with hello. See, it is set in. Now I am moving forward to the styling, where you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shapes. As it is looking good, so I am not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I am enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easy you can set up the AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other applications. Once you click on this button, the system will give you the code of this AI assistant. You just have to copy the code and paste that code inside your website, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your website too. So this is how interesting it it is. So not only here, you can access your assistant anywhere. After doing the setup of your assistant, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you just have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You just have to make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here. On warm, you have to set your assistant that I'm going to select as all contact, and select the assistant from here that I'm going to select this, that is put your entire business on autopilot with Pabbly Chatflow AI that we have designed recently. After that, I will click on the save button and see it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So here I have set the assistant for all contacts, but if you want to set the assistant for any specific contacts, then you just have to click on this inbox feature. After that, select the contact. On warm, you have to set your assistant. Next, choose the assistant from here and select it from this drop down. After that, click on the save button, and this is how easy you can assign the assistant to any specific user. Now the setup of our assistant is completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing automated WhatsApp assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. This assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this, 24/7 without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.